Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, unplug the machine and remove the presser foot and needle so nothing gets in the way. Open the bobbin compartment and take out the bobbin case, set screws and small parts in a tray. Clean any lint with a small brush because debris alters tension. Once done, wind a new bobbin using the same thread and machine tension. This ensures consistent feeding. Then stop the winder at a full, evenly wound bobbin and prepare to insert it. You now place the wound bobbin into the case, making sure the thread feeds in the correct direction for your machine model. This controls how the lower thread wraps. Thread the bobbin through the tension slot and under the spring. Pull about 2 to 3 inches of thread out. Reinsert the bobbin case into its carrier until it seats with a click and lower the presser foot to engage tension discs. Then slowly hand turn the balance wheel to bring up the bobbin thread, checking stitch formation as you go. You finish by replacing the bobbin cover, reinstalling the needle and presser foot, then stitching 2 to 3 test lines on scrap fabric to confirm even stitches. If stitches look tight or loose, make small tension changes, quarter turns on the bobbin case or top dial and retest because tiny adjustments produce big effects. If you encounter skipped stitches, check one key thing first: bobbin orientation and lint. Incorrect bobbin direction or debris under the spring causes most problems, so reseat and clean before changing parts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.